Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number this 2126. Okay, this is very important to understand because this is a greedy problem and you will love this problem to understand how to approach this type of problem. Okay, so we'll try to understand the question saying that destroying asteroid, right? So basically, how will you destroy the uh, asteroid, right? How will you destroy the asteroid with the given mass, right? And what should be the approach so that all the asteroids should be destroyed, right? And that we will understand through the greedy approach. So this is Access Funda. You're watching on YouTube, so please subscribe the Access Funda if you have not done that. So and keep supporting Expert Funda if you want the better content, right? And if you want to prepare for the FANG interviews. Okay, let's continue to understand. The very first thing what we have given is statement. The question saying that we have given integer mass and it represents the mass of the planet. Okay, and another we have given is asteroid. So this mass and this is asteroid. So asteroid contains as an array, so there will be multiple uh, asteroids will be there, right? But what it is saying that we can arrange the planet, right, to collide with these asteroids in an order, right, in an arbitrary order. If the mass of the planet is if the mass of the planet is greater than or equal to the mass of asteroid. Okay, mass of asteroid. If this is the thing, means it will be destroyed, right? The asteroid will be destroyed, means let's suppose for this case it is destroyed. For this case it is destroyed because it is 10, it is 3 and 9. I'll not talk about further. Okay, and the gain of the mass and the that will be destroyed, that will go to the mass. It will, let's suppose for 3 it will go to the mass, it will added. So previously 10, now it will become 3 more, so it will become 13. Like this it will happen, otherwise planet will be destroyed. So if such case, if all are destroyed, you have to return true, otherwise you return the false. This is what the question says, guys. Okay, let's continue to understand ahead. Okay, so what is the problem is asking, guys, right? The very first thing that the question says that the planet of the mass we have given, we can start with the planet of the mass which is given, right? And we are given an array of asteroid where each asteroid has a mass, correct? The rule says that if our current mass is greater than the asteroid mass, right, we can destroy it. If after destroying it, let's suppose this case happened, right, after destroying our mass increased by the destroyed mass, right, means the mass will keep increasing if it can destroy. If the asteroid is larger than the current mass, means we will lose. Okay, means the planet will destroy, not the asteroid. So we have to return true if all destroyed will be all asteroid will be destroyed, otherwise we'll return the false. Understand? If not, please pause here and go through these statements. Okay, let's understand our analysis, guys. Very important. The order matters. Why the order matters? Let's suppose that we have given mass and asteroid. So mass is 10 and asteroid is 10 and 5. Sorry, 20 and 5. So if you attack 20 first, what will happen? 10 is less than 20, means we will lose, correct? And if you attack 5, right, there is two cases. The first case, when we attack 20 and when we attack 10, right, two cases. So when you attack 5, what will happen? That 10 is greater, right? Means will from 10 it will become, means the 5 will be destroyed, right, by the 10. So the next mass will become 10 to 15. Now we can say 15 is less than 20, means we will still lose this, right? Now consider like this. Now consider the mass is 10, correct? And if we will see the asteroid and we'll do the sorting. Previously we have not done the sorting, but this time we'll do the sorting. So now the very first mass it will go and check. So now current become what? 15. And from 15 it become what? 35. Means in this case we will win, correct? Then we'll check, okay, to maximize the growth, what we will happen, we'll always destroy the smallest and start first, and then therefore we'll do the sorting. So like this we will do. Okay, so let's come back to the approach. What should be our approach? The very first thing that we should sort the asteroid in ascending order, means increasing order. Then when we traverse from the smaller to the larger, right, we should we will check that if current mass is less than the asteroid, will return false, otherwise we will destroy it. And if you destroy it, you have to update the mass of the asteroid, right, into the mass, and then you will finish the traversal and you will return the true. So this will be our greedy approach, and this thing we should do. Let's understand again an example so we'll understand. So this is the mass we have given in example 1, and these are the things we have given as asteroid mass. So let's suppose the very first thing that we have given, it is not sorted. As you can see here, 5 is here, so we will do the sorting. You will get the sorted. It means if it is sorted by the array, the given array of the asteroid, then what will happen, we can check with the mass. The very first current mass is 10 and asteroid is 3. So what will happen, 10 is greater than 3. It means it can destroy. If you destroy, we will update the weight, right, of the mass of the current mass, means the planet. This is our planet, guys. Okay, planet mass, then planet current mass we can say. Now it is updated from 10 to 13 because we have updated. Now current is 13 and asteroid is 5, still greater, will update. Same will go with this, and we'll keep checking, still smaller, and in all cases is smaller only, so we'll update. And finally we'll get the current mass is 67. Okay, in this case we have destroyed all the asteroid, right? If we have destroyed all of the asteroid, it means we have to return the answer as a true. Let's understand example 2. So we have example 2 where we have given mass and the given we have asteroid. The very first thing that we will sort it, this one, right? Once you sort it, the very first thing that you check the simulation, that we have 5, right? 5 is greater than 4, right? It means your weight is 9. Similarly your weight will become 13. Similarly your weight will become 22. Like this will go. If you see the last one, now we have 22 is less than 23, means we cannot destroy the asteroid. It means we return false, because with the help of till here you have destroyed, but the last one you have not destroyed, so we will return false. So why the sorting will works? So suppose you can destroy x asteroid and y asteroid, right? So if x is less than y, destroying x first gives the mass plus, right? Mass, current mass plus x, which always at least good as the destroying y first for the future growth opportunity, right? Therefore the optimal answer is always a smaller to larger it will go. This will be our optimal answer, and so this greedy and sorting problem will work fine for our case. So we should go with the code, and we said, okay, the very first thing that will give an asteroid will be sorted. Now current mass we will keep the same, and we'll traverse over the all the asteroid. We'll check the current mass. If it is less than, it means it will not destroy the asteroid, so return false. On otherwise cases it can destroy it, so keep updating the current mass like this, so that other asteroid will be also check that it is less than or not. If it is keep going with the greater one, if the current mass is keep going greater, means it can destroy all the asteroid and you will get the updated mask. And finally, you will return true once you destroyed all the mass. So this is what we have, guys, in this video. So current analysis is that sorting dominates the runtime because it will give n log n, right? And space complexity is O of n. We are ignoring the sorting space, guys. So what we have understood and learned from here is the pattern we should understand. The problem teaches us a very good thing for the interview is that when we completing a smaller task, increase your ability to complete the larger task and try sorting and then do the processing in the increasing order. Okay, so this is a greedy style problem, guys. There is a lot of concept in the greedy algorithm. If you are my student, you will understand in DSA preparation, right? Otherwise, we have other question for the practice. So you go with the practice, try these problems, right? And it will definitely help you in the, if you want to learn by me, let me know in the comment section which question you want from here. I'll definitely help you there. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and keep supporting this one as you're doing. And if you have any doubt, suggestions, please let me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. And thank you so much for watching till now. And I hope you have learned something good. So thank you so much. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.